Okay, so far you have done so many things. Now you may be having one question that he haven't shown that single day I will not able to learn everything, but how to save this one. Automatically it will be saved. Okay, if you if I done, you can see auto save. Okay, automatically it has been saved. Okay, where you have been created this particular folder, there it will be there. Okay, just like if you try to close this particular tab now, okay, if it is not saved, you will get, can you like to unsave or cancel, it says just cancel, then save. Okay, save, here save button is that, save. Okay, then you close. Okay, automatically it will stay saved by default. Sometimes server may be disconnected, because of that it may not be saved. So save that, then close that particular tab. It will be there in a folder which you have been created. Okay, like a Pinnacular folder we have been created, there it will be there. You can see I go to the folder here, you can see that it will be there in that particular folder if I open that folder. Okay, in case you have been closed this one also, like I just close it down. Okay, I closed all this thing. Again, if I go to I just want to do again, just we need to say we need to go to Anaconda Navigator. Here we need to search for a navigator, Anaconda Navigator, open that, and in that I need to launch the Jupyter notebook, so launch it. Okay, next time when you like to do same file, we can edit once again. Okay, so it will be there, the folder where you created in your C drive. Okay, in your directory, that particular folder you need to open. Okay, in that folder, the file which you have been created, if you open that file, you will be, you can open that particular thing which you have done so far, what you have, whatever you have created so far. Okay, so this is how we can save the any file. Okay, and closing a file, and how to track them again for our reference.